All right, so what is going on YouTube, Facebook, and all the other social media platforms? Too Slick Nick here. Definitely trying to give the first look of it up and running, test ride of our Ct100u, full suspension Coleman. This is coming out of 2 AM garages, built by myself and a little bit with my son, Too Slick Jr. So Nickson, why don't you come on out here and show me what you think of this? What do you think? All right, so what do you think?
Oh, it's nice.
How nice? When you saw it when you came home, what did you say?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. All right, let's see how it does. So we'll turn the choke on once. Oh yeah. So let it warm up for a second. What do you think? All right, put the kickstand up and let's see, turn some laps and see what happens. There's what? So what? You got cool tires, bro. You don't worry about that. Give it a little bit of gas at first, okay? The brakes aren't the best right now. I got to work them out. Oh, this battery's dying. Suspension doesn't look too bad. Of course, he goes right to the jumps there. So this is stretched now 11 inches since I added a swing arm. So it's definitely different for him. Let's see how he does and what he thinks. Alright, he's making some left-hand turns here. Battery's getting ready to die, but he has to get used to it. There you go, give it some gas! This is literally his first few minutes on it. Oh, he likes that pickup. Here, make some left-hand turns. Go, give it gas. Go! Come on, keep turning some laps. So I hope this does what I want it to do. Suspension definitely helps. It's not throwing them all around. Go fast! Go fast! Let's see how fast it goes. Oh, he did a countdown. Boy, off-road handles nicely. Well, I'm happy with it, guys. One happy dad out of 2 a.m. garages here. He keeps jumping that, or trying to. Should have brought my bike out here. What do you think?
It was nice.
You like it? Do you think it's an improvement?
Yeah.
Do you think you're gonna get first place?
No.
Why?
I don't know. Well, I just...
What, do you think you have a better chance now?
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna beat some pit bikes?
Sure.
Yeah. Queen Creek?
Sure.
Here we come, right?
I mean, I got second place last time.
Yeah, but this time we're going for first. All right. All right, easy. It's easy. Goes into the cul-de-sac. He has some skills. All right, go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Here's the wife. She wanted to come out and support Nickson, his new bike. Everyone, 011, hashtag 011. Coleman full suspension coming at 2 a.m. garages. 2 Slick Nick and 2 Slick Nick Jr. Vote for us.
And wife.
And wife. And even if we don't win.
And Mingo.
And even if we don't win, he's gonna be winning.